They're a major shaper of the environment. They are some of the basic building blocks for our civilization. If Earth had none of them, it would be a completely different place. They're trees. Unfortunately for many of these trees, and us, we are cutting them at an astonishingly fast rate. This is called deforestation, or the removal of forests on a massive scale. 31% of the Earth's land mass is forests, but that number is being cut down every minute. This deforestation is happening in forests all over the world, but most notably in warm places such as Africa, Eastern Europe, and Southeast Asia. Most of these forests are lost thanks to farmers and land developers for the land and loggers for the wood. Although it is not known exactly when deforestation started, it is widely believed that 500,000 years ago man started cutting down trees, and ever since that time, there has been negative effects to the earth. When trees are cut down, they can contribute to global warming. Furthermore, deforestation forces animals to relocate.
Deforestation affects every living thing on this planet. According to the World Wildlife Fund, every year approximately 48 to 58,000 square miles of forests are cleared, about the size of Panama. At this rate of deforestation, the world's forests will be gone within 100 years. To add to that, conserveenergyfuture.org states that half the world's rainforests have already been cleared. Those forests contain 210 gigatons of carbon dioxide, the weight of 500,000 blue whales. This carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere when trees are chipped down, according to National Geographic. Furthermore, according to Alina Bradford, writing for Live Science, millions of animal and plant species live in forests and are at risk to deforestation. TheWorldCounts.org concurs by saying that the world is only 6% rainforests, and yet it houses 50% of the world's animal species.
Forests are incredibly important to the earth as we know it today. The fact that we are neglecting them is detrimental to everything that matters to us. Our impoverished forests are crying for us to help them. They are throwing a tantrum, one that can destroy our lives. We are doing next to nothing to help them, and the cost to us is to our economy, farms, infrastructure, ecosystem, and just simply everything. There are several things that we can all do together to help counteract the effects of deforestation. One thing that we can all do together is to pressure companies to decrease the amount of wood they use. One way to do this is to buy less products made of wood.
Another way to do this is to only buy products from companies that are forest-friendly. If people would like to go even further to protect their forests, then another thing that everyone can do is to pressure the heart of this American nation, the government. If we can get the population and the rest of the world to pressure their governments, then we might just be able to stop or slow deforestation. Governments have lots of power, enough to regulate the industries responsible for deforestation. Besides pressuring people, an amazing way of curbing deforestation is by spreading the word to you and the rest of society. Save our poor trees and save us.